What's up guys, I have made a lot of videos on the specifications of the Asus 7 Pro and now I have think about the Asus ROG Phone 4. According to some leaks and a website says that the ROG Phone 4 could launch under the $699 price tag and the device can feature Snapdragon 875 series. Now let's talk about some leaked specifications of the Asus ROG Phone 4. So let's start the video. According to that website, Asus can give you a 7000 mAh battery with the support of 65 watt in its ROG Phone 4, and you can also see a 188 Hz screen refresh rate. Yes guys, it's a custom screen refresh rate, so you can see a custom refresh rate on the Asus ROG Phone 4. The upcoming Snapdragon 875 series may be featured on the Asus ROG Phone 4. Yes, Asus has continued the work with the Asus ROG Phone 4. I know guys, there is no device available with the Snapdragon 875. So Asus ROG Phone 4 could be the first device that comes with the Snapdragon 875 processor, and the processor is powered with the Adreno GPU and architectured at 5nm technology, so it's also good. So what you said, just tell me in the comment box. If you like the video, so do hit that subscribe button and also press that bell icon so you never miss any updates of my channel. So it's all guys, bye and see you all in the next video.